Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 23. Verily, the fruit that accrues to those men of little intelligence is finite. The worshippers of the Devas go to the Devas, but my devotees come to me.
Chapter 7, Shloka 23. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavat alpamedasam devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi.
Chapter 7, Shloka 23. Since the deluded desire the finite objects, they don't experience the all-satisfying peace. Lord says that because of their little intelligence, they desire for finite results. Effects are nothing but the cause in a different form. So, if the cause is finite, the result cannot be but finite. Desires for finite objects, even when fulfilled through finite activities, can only be temporary. Finite desires can only give finite results, be it joy or sorrow. Even if it be joy, since it is not permanent, ends in sorrow. The satisfaction gained diminishes till it gives the sourness of dissatisfaction or bitterness of sorrow. This is what Lord means when he says that the worshippers of Devas go to the Devas, who are the illuminators of the finite senses. When Lord says that his devotees come to him, he means that since he represents the pure consciousness, the infinite, they become the infinite. If the same effort is applied in the right line of constructive living, they can come to discover the Absolute, the Self. Because of the extrovertedness of the deluded ego, it comes to identify with the finite matter and stays in the world of objects. Only men of clear discrimination understand the utter uselessness of the pursuit of finite pleasures, detach themselves from the false egocentric lives, and through the process of meditation on the self come to discover their real nature. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.